65 south, there's a big supercell coming in. This is gonna be awesome. Hopefully we can find a tornado. I've been waiting all night for this storm to roll in, and it's getting bigger and bigger. I've been tracking it all the way from the west side of Illinois. I'm going to this truck stop I know, and hopefully we'll meet it there. What's up, guys? I finally made it to the south side of Indy. Looks like I'm heading back on 465 south, and then I'm gonna head to 70 west. This storm just completely broke up. This is the remnants of this on the south side. By the time I got here, it was too late. Just raining harder, that's it. No wind, no nothing. Alright, I'll catch you guys in a minute. Oh, here we go. Trying to find the heart of the storm. Hey guys, sorry, didn't find anything. Every time I got to a spot where the radar is blowing up, it didn't even, all it did was just rain. So, hope you enjoyed that. Like, comment, troll me, I don't care. The more comments, the better. Trying to get my channel started. So, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later.